What's going on, everybody? This is Mo Money with Jason, the channel that talks all things money. Today, we are bringing you our weekly Bitcoin update. Now, if you're freaking out about the market and wondering what is going on with BTC, this is the channel for you, because every week we bring you our analysis on BTC and what we believe it is about to do next. So if you're wondering where the price of BTC is moving to next or what the next potential move is, then stay tuned because we are about to break it all down now. Now, for everybody that's watching at home, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and this content is purely for educational purposes only. So if you're happy with that, then continue watching. So if we jump onto the BTC chart, you can see we have now broken through the demand zone, which we highlighted last week. If you didn't watch our last video, I said that price was going to break this particular level, then price would free fall to 20K, as there is no support levels on the weekly. And currently that is what it is on track to do. If you want to make sure that you don't miss out on vital information like this, then smash that subscribe button so you can stay ahead of the game. So if you are wondering why we were targeting the 20K level as Bitcoin's next move, you have to think about price like a ping pong ball, moving between different levels of support and resistance or supply and demand zones. So when a level breaks, it literally moves to the next level. Currently, price has now broken through the weekly demand zone. This is a significant move, and the reason why it is because of the time frame it's on. When you are trading, time frames matter. The higher the time frame, the more significant a move is. So when levels and zones are broken on a higher time frame, especially the weekly, you can expect a massive move to follow. If you look to the left, you can see that on the weekly time frame that there are only green candles, meaning that when price was rising through these pricing levels, there was no resistance. Generally, what happens when price comes back to these levels, they again have no resistance and just free fall, as what is being demonstrated currently on the chart. There is a key concept that resistance becomes support and support becomes resistance once broken, which means once a resistance level has broken, then when price comes back to this area, it will become a support level and vice versa. With that being said, you can expect to see a support level created around the 20K level, and generally what you will see from here is a consolidation period before we either go back up or continue dropping from this level. There are a lot of people on social media saying to buy the dip, and personally, if you had been following these people from the beginning, you probably would have run out of money by now, as they have been calling to buy the dip since Bitcoin dropped from 65K. Generally, when somebody says to buy the dip, they either do not understand market cycles and have not taken the time to learn technical analysis, which is basically the language of the charts. Having an understanding of what the charts are saying can give you a deeper level of finding entries and exits into the market. So if you hear people talking about buying the dip, I would be cautious. Let's get one thing straight. Nobody wants to buy a crypto and just lose money. I mean, think about it. If I said to you, hey, next week crypto is going down by 10%, would you buy at today's prices? No, you would wait, because you know that there is a potential discount to be had. It is the same when you understand how to read the charts. There are patterns on the charts that indicate that price is going to go further down. So why would a trader buy today? The only reason why someone hodls is because they made a bad decision and they didn't protect their stop loss and are now in a losing position where they do not want to cut their losses. It doesn't make sense. However, if you have learned technical analysis and you can read the charts, then this gives you the ability to interpret the data and make better decisions when it comes to analyzing the markets. I am personally waiting and staying out of the market until we get confirmation on a trend reversal or market structure. Why? Because price moves in 3 phases: the impulse phase, the consolidation phase, and then the decision phase, which means after there is a drop in the market, there is going to be a consolidation phase, which means we potentially will be sitting in sideways movement for the next couple of months. Inexperienced traders will buy in thinking that the market stopped, and then what they will find is that they will be going between a level of support and resistance for the next 30 to 60 days, buying and selling at the wrong time. At the end of the day, the market moves in cycles and we are just currently in a downtrend. It is important to note that if you are trading, to make sure that you are not leveraging more than you can afford to lose or using high leverage. If you want to learn how to trade the crypto markets, we do have an on-demand crypto course that you can watch at your own pace, and it teaches you everything you need to become a confident trader. You'll also gain access to our private community once you join, so check out the link in the description. So in summary, we have just had a massive drop of over 60%, with the next weekly support level around the 20K mark, meaning that we should expect to see price consolidate around this level before it makes a decision on which way it wants to go next. We will be back here next week giving you another update, so make sure you smash the subscribe button so you can be notified as soon as we post. I hope this helped. See you in the next video.